Okay guys, so we're back with some more kittens. And they're getting a little more social. There's Chewy. And then Bruce Wayne's back behind her. So, if you guys have seen the videos, you guys know that there were 3 kittens. Well, about a week and a half ago, my parents came home from picking up my dad for lunch from work. And Braveheart, the other kitten, the one that was really playful and stuff, I think, if I remember correctly, she was over in our neighbor's driveway. She got attacked by our neighbor's dog while we were gone. And she's gone. So we've only got 2 of the kittens now. But they're as safe as we can keep them when they're living outdoors. It's okay. He got attacked as well. Little Bruce Wayne, he got attacked. But we nursed him back to health. He's fine now. He's just a little scared of the neighborhood's pets and stuff. But I thought that I should probably go ahead and do another little clip with them, because I mean, they're getting big. But yeah, anyway, bye guys.